back to my channel. It's Crispina. I wasn't all that and my phone was about to die, so I'm trying to hurry up. Long story short, your girl never went to prom. I don't know, every prom season that goes by, I'm like, dang, like, I wish I would have went. Honestly, if I would have went to prom, I probably would have wore something of this sort, like something teal, just that baby blue. Yeah, and just really quick before I officially start this video, a woman that subscribes to my channel, her name is Marlene. Maybe I'll just put like something on the screen like anytime I'm using the products that she sent me, but she sent me a lot of stuff and I just want to say thank you because, you know, starting a YouTube channel, it's nerve-wracking, you know, it took a lot of me like getting out my comfort zone. She wrote me a little note and she said, "Hi, I hope you enjoy all of these goodies. I'm sure you will get more use out of them than I am." It just warms my heart because it's like, dang, like someone sees my video and they're like, "Yeah, girl, keep going. Like the views ain't there yet, but it's okay. It ain't even about the views right now. It's about me doing something that I like." To say thank you. And before this video officially starts, don't forget to give me a like, a subscribe, and keep on watching. Alright, hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. So to fill in my eyebrows, kind of like for the outline, I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in dark brown and using this Beige Cosmetics V10 brush. And then to further like outline my brows to make sure like they're like extra sharp, I'm using the Beige Cosmetics Shade and Define Duo Brow Pencil in Ebony. And then to like kind of get like where I don't really grow that much hair like on my tails, I'm using that same brush and using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dual Brow Powder in dark brown. So clearly I couldn't use it all in this video just because it was so much, but I'm going in with the Makeup Forever 5 Camo Cream Palette and I'm using that first shade and this Beige Cosmetics Eco Brush to outline the bottom of my brows. And then once I drag the product so far down, I'm going in and I'm blending it with the Beige Cosmetics stippling brushes from the pink brush set, and I can put the link down below. Okay, so for the top of my brows, I just want to get like my tails like all super crisp looking or whatever, so I'm doing that same process on the top with the Maybelline Master Conceal color corrector. And then to prime my eyes for eyeshadow, I'm using the L'Oreal True Match Blendable Concealer in Warm Fair Light, blending that in with the Beauty Blender, and then using the Nyx HD Finishing Powder in one of those eco brushes as well. Alright, so for the eyes, I'm going to be using the Juvias Zulu palette, and I'm using the ItsmyRayeRaye number 6 brush and to blend out this orange shade, and I'm dragging it pretty high and just blending it out very well. And then taking this Morphe B81 brush for this brown color, I'm kind of doing it in like a V motion, but I'm taking it to where the brown would be like just directly below the orange shade because I'm going to be cutting my crease. And then I'm going to be cutting it with this random synthetic brush I have. And I'm going to be using the Maybelline Master Conceal in 20 Light. And then I'm just kind of like dragging it over, but not too high because I have small eyelids and then it'll kind of mess up the cut crease. And then once I'm done doing that, I like use my finger to tap it in so that way I don't mess up the shadow. And I'm taking this Smashbox double exposure brush in the teal shade from the Zulu palette and putting that on the inside and the outside of my lid. So I'm going to be using this NYX Glitter Mania Silver Glitter, and I have like this random glitter glue, and I'm doing the same technique with just putting it where I want the glitter to be and then tapping it in so it gets tacky, and taking one of these like random synthetic brushes I have, sorry I have a lot of these, and then just kind of placing the glitter where I put the glue at, and I tried to do like more of like a halo look, and sorry that was washed out. And my eyelids are really small, so even when I would put it where I put like the concealer for the cut crease, it still kind of got on the upper part of my lid. Alright, so it's FaceTime, and I'm not talking to iPhones. Alright, no, I'm just playing. But to prime my face, I'm using the Maybelline Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser. And honestly, my skin is just doing very terrible. I don't know if it was because it was finals week or what, but my skin was just not having it. But I'm going back in with that Maybelline MasterCamo palette and then just kind of color correcting underneath my eyes. And then I have like a lot of acne right now, so I was just trying to, wherever it was dark, I was just trying to do it. But I'm taking the Estee Lauder Idealist Even Skintone Illuminator, and in hindsight I probably should have used that first because then I just kind of rubbed away everything else. But it's all good because the Milani 2-in-1 Foundation and Concealer in 06 Sand Beige had my back and pretty much covered up all my blemishes. So to blend out, I'm using my Real Techniques Beauty Sponge per usual. I think I was trying to get a little bit too ahead of myself and it was just a bit too dark for me. I'm not there yet, you know, I gotta get in the sun more. But to kind of brighten my face up just a little bit, I'm using Maybelline Dark Circle Eraser in medium and then blending that out with the sponge as well and just making sure that everything's all blended in. And then I'm going to be taking my Black Radiance True Complexion Waist Setting Powder and the Real Techniques Miracle Sponge and just tapping that powder in until my skin can't absorb it anymore. And this does really good with like brightening under the eyes, and like it's good for like no flashback. And so I'm doing it in my T-zone area, on the sides of my nose, my chin, even though I didn't show it, definitely the forehead, you know, the oily spots, and then going back in with that Beige Cosmetics Eco Brush to kind of swipe the product away. Alright, so for contour and highlight, I'm going in with the ItsmyRayeRaye palette, and I use Moonlight for my underbrow highlight. And then taking this LA Colors brush in the shade Mocha, and I just kind of put that on my cheekbones, and just slightly, I tried not to do too much since it was already pretty much my skin tone, you know, just to warm up my face a little bit. And then using the ItsmyRayeRaye number 3 brush to kind of diffuse it out, and then I use what was ever left over from the LA Colors brush on my nose and diffuse it out with the Real Techniques brush. And then going back in with another ItsmyRayeRaye brush for highlight. You know, I dipped it in for Radiant, that's my favorite right now, and I kind of did like my cheekbones, the area between my brow and my hairline. And just because prom's all about glowing, I went back in and sprayed the brush and then tried to beam a little bit more, because that's just who I am, and I was going to do that anyways. But anyways, I'm using Moonlight on my nose, you know, I just feel like it's better for the nose highlight. And then for like underneath my eyes, I just felt like I needed a little bit of color, so I'm going back in with that teal and that brown shade underneath my eyes, and just kind of doing like that under eyeliner look type of thing. And to prep my eyelashes for false lashes, I use the Rimmel Scandalized Mascara for the bottom and just barely on the bottom of my top lashes. And then using the Creme eyelashes in number 47, I use those in tweezers because I didn't find my favorite eyelash tool until after, but whatever. And then using this tiny e.l.f. mascara, and I'll put that down below in the description box because I always forget the name of it, and I'll tightline even more after the eyelashes were done. But yeah, that's it for this look. Thank you so much for watching, and before you know it, I'll be back with another video.